أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Honorable Principal, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Happy Independence Day to you all. It is 14 August 2024. It is the 77th Independence celebration of our dear Pakistan. Pakistan is the result of years of struggles and sacrifices given by our smart leaders. The Pakistan has been independent in the of the struggles of our Muhammad Ali Jinnah and sacrifices of our ancestors. Muslim
सब जा रहे हैं 14 अगस्त के बाद।
We